Hi guys, this is Archit from Strawberry, and today we are going to see a very small preview of what Raspberry Pi is all about. It's just a $35 um, computer, and what you can see is like it's like it can be used for very simple uses. It is portable. You can carry it anywhere you want, and really nice thing to go about. Right. Okay, so this is just a Raspberry Pi board, and it is already connected to a screen here. So if you see a screen, and it is already loaded with a Debian Linux version. Okay, and I'll just explain you how Raspberry Pi works basically. So first of all, there is an SD memory card here. So if you see from the back side, okay, and Raspberry Pi package basically doesn't comes with any memory card, so you have to put a memory card there, and depending upon your requirement you can insert a thing. So if you want 4 GBs or 8 GB, 16, 32, whatever you want, it supports until 32 GBs, right? New version Raspberry Pi B also supports 64 GBs, right? There's an onboard processor here, and this processor is almost like 512 MBs RAM, so quite good for small applications and stuff, right? There's a power cable here, so if you see, this is the power which is connected, right? These are some general purpose input output pins, GPIO pins, which you can use for serial communication. Maybe you want to connect to some printer, or you want to connect to some other device, you can do it from here. But if you're not a techie, then you don't need to worry so much about it, right? There is a video jack also here. So this is a video jack here, and if you see, right, it is already connected here. So video jack is connected to our small display here, and that's how the display is powered on, right? There's also an audio jack here. So this audio jack is having audio in and audio out both, and it basically is like you can record your whatever, and listen to movies, and listen to music and see movies and stuff. So it's really portable, really easy to use, right? Okay. Next thing is there are two USB jacks here, and these USB jacks are like one is for mouse, another one is for keyboard, right? And we have connected a mouse right now, so this is our mouse here, if you see, right? Okay, nice. So this is our system, which is actually getting booted, if you see, and there's a Raspberry Pi logo here, and the system is actually getting booted, right? Okay, until the system completely boots, let's go here and let's just check out our what other facilities are there. So there is a RJ45 jack here, Ethernet standard, so you can connect to your internet here, and also there's an HDMI display output here. So for us, we have just connected an analog output, and we can also connect to our HDMI, and then connect to our TVs, or current LED displays and stuff. So bigger displays. Okay. Now the best part is this you can get in India only for 3,000 rupees, and if you go to UK and stuff, it just costs you around $35. So this is really cheap, and you can build seamlessly portable devices using this, right? Okay. Next thing is if you see, the system is like it's an Ubuntu system, almost with our Windows interface, right? And if you see, there's everything here, accessories and education and everything, right? Okay, for novice programmers, this is also good because you can there is an inbuilt Python IDE there, so we can always you can learn programming using Python. And since Python is coming up as a big language, it's an open source language to for programming. Even Google search engine is powered on Python, so this can really prove very nice thing to do. Okay, applications which we can build using Raspberry Pi here. So you can create portable devices. You don't need any pads. You can just use Raspberry Pi with such a display, and this is on the go, right? You connect it to a battery, and you're done, right? Okay. Next thing is you can use this to create your own portable devices. Like currently we are creating a reading system for blind people, so portable one. Another one is just a display for banks and other places like ATM machines and everything, wherein you can scroll and you can check out all the product infos and everything, right? So also sort of devices which you can create and you can use with this. Thanks guys and have a nice day. Bye.